Hello, YouTube viewers. It's me again. I'm back for video 4 of my zombie diaries. And in this video, I want to discuss. Okay, so the media just told everybody that the outbreak just occurred, and everyone's going to be frantic. So this is very important. You have to get a jump on everybody. You have to start gathering your resources before word gets out. So first and most importantly, the thing that I did was I went and I got a haircut, as you can see. Pretty tight fade, because you can bet your ass that you won't be getting another good haircut, at least for a while anyway, unless somebody staying with you during your fallout period is a barber, but that's highly unlikely. So I went and got a haircut. That was very important to me. So immediately afterward, I went to the grocery store, and behind me, you can't see it because it's pretty far back there, but I got my list. And number one on the list, actually number 1 and 2, I would say, is beer and Mountain Dew. Beer, if you're going to get it, a good way to get it is in a keg form. It'll stay cold for a little while on you, and then once you're done drinking it, you can use all the kegs for numerous things. Blockades, you can use it for a weapon, like just, you got to think outside the box when it comes to these things. Mountain Dew, it's a must. I mean, what can I say? You don't want to live on water. You're going to have plenty of that, so you're going to want something with taste. So Mountain Dew, good one. Number 2, PlayStation 3 games. You're not going to want to be sitting at home bored, got zombies on your lawn. You can't leave the house, what are you going to do? You're gonna play some PlayStation 3 games. That's what you're going to do. And in order to play those games, you're going to need some power. Now, at first, you'll have power, but once it goes, you're going to be bored, so make sure you get number 3, which is a generator. Get your generator. If you can't find gas at the local gas station, because it's going to go pretty quickly, make sure you get a kerosene powered generator, and make sure while you get it, you get the kerosene too, because you can't have one without the other. Let's go with number 4, which is weaponry. My weapon of choice would be a 50 caliber, just because it's fun and it's practical. Well, I guess not really, but for me, again, I don't want to be bored up here, so shooting a 50 cal and making zombies explode, it's pretty fun actually. Also, while you're at it, get some silent weapons, some handguns with silencers on them. You don't want to draw too much of a crowd, Get some grenades, that's pretty important. Get plenty of ammo, unless you plan on beating them with the butt of your gun, which probably wouldn't be too effective. Next, you gotta go with the Blu-ray DVDs. I mean, if you're like me, you got a quality TV at home already. I can't see that being an essential while you're out to get. It's gonna slow you down. You don't want to get slowed down by stuff. Kegs are already a big issue there. While they're sliding around the bed of your truck, you don't want it to crush your TV. So hopefully you already have that in place. So some of my favorite Blu-ray DVDs are, I would say Avatar, but I've played that one out. But Twister. You got cult classics all over the place. Just grab whatever. It'll probably be good. And if not, you got coasters. I mean, 2 birds with 1 stone. Next, we got chips and canned goods. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. I mean, anything perishable, you gotta have, or non-perishable, I'm sorry. Perishable, bad, non-perishable, good. Make sure you have a can opener at home. You might want to grab another while you're out, just in case. You got to start thinking like that. Stuff is now very valuable to you. What good's all this canned good if you got no way to get in it? You're at Walmart. You got to start thinking outside the box. Everything you need is there. Toilet paper, that's just a given. If you don't know why you would need that, well, then don't read this video, because you're a moron and you're probably dead anyway. You got to hit up the Ace Hardware, and I'm lucky enough to have my grocery store, my Walmart, my Ace Hardware, all within probably a 2-mile radius. Now at Ace, you're just going to want to grab a little bit of everything. Your hammers, your nails, you know, your plywood, all that stuff. You're gonna need it all. I mean, the more you have, the better. You know, the longer you know your stronghold holds out, it's better for you. You know, and you can't forget the night vision goggle. You know, maybe your 50 cal has it already installed on the scope. Most of them do. I mean, when it comes to that, you even have thermal imaging. I'm not sure if a zombie gives off any heat, but you know, you definitely want to go with some night vision goggles of some sort, just in case they get into your house at night somehow. You ain't got no like candles lit, and you know you just want them right there. Just put them right on, and you know you're good to go. You can see them and everything of that nature. So without further ado, this has been video number 4 of the diaries. Again, while you're out, grab as much as you can. It's very vital that you make as few stops as possible, because every time you leave the house and your stronghold, you're taking a chance. Make sure your vehicle is fortified. I mean, you got to make it better than your house, because now you're drawing all kinds of attention. You're going up to grocery stores. You're going up to hardware stores. You're gonna have a lot of just a lot of static. And make sure when you go out, the first place you stop is not the grocery store. Get your weapons, obviously. If you don't do it that way, well then, you know, you get to a grocery store that's overran with zombies and you got no way to kill them. So, you know, basically that's just kind of common sense. So, I think that's all I got for you, and yeah, like I said, this will be the last video of the day, so hopefully the zombie apocalypse isn't coming anytime soon, because we haven't learned everything we need to know. On my next video, we'll actually be taking a ride to the locations that mentioned in this video, and I'll kind of show you some ideas and just some tips on what you want to hit first, how to hit them, how to do it, you know, all that kind of thing. So hope this helped you out, and if you like it, thumbs it up, subscribe, comment, do whichever you gotta do. If you hate it, I don't give a shit, you know, whatever, it's not for you. I hope you die. Alright, that's all I gotta say. Later.